You made it to day one, and that already sets you apart. If you felt out of rhythm lately, this is where we begin again. Because before your body builds strength, it needs stillness. Let's hit the mat. This pose is more than a stretch. It's a permission slip to slow down and tune back in. Kneel with your big toes together and knees apart. Walk your hands forward and melt your hips towards your heels. Let your breath take the lead. You're going to feel a slow release through the lower back, hips, and shoulders. A gentle compression that actually helps your nervous system reset. This pose calms your fight or flight system and reactivates deep diaphragmatic breathing. Today, we find calm. Tomorrow, we build control. Exhale for a full 5 count. Sink 1 inch deeper. Can you feel your breath anchoring you back into your body? That just unlocked your breath. Let's guide it through your spine. Now we invite movement into that stillness. This isn't about performance, it's about rhythm. From child's pose, inhale and shift forward into cobra. Lower your hips, lift the chest, shoulders relaxed, elbows soft. Exhale, push back into child's pose. Repeat this gentle wave. Let your spine lead. You're going to feel an expansion through your front body, a rolling rhythm between rest and rise. This movement boosts spinal fluid circulation, your body's natural energy boost. This wave unlocks both flexibility and mental clarity. On your final cobra, pause and breathe into the chest. 5 seconds. Can you feel your spine moving with your breath now? That just unlocked your spine. Let's hold space for strength. This next pose teaches quiet strength. You're not collapsing, you're holding with intention. Lie on your belly, legs long, elbows beneath shoulders, forearms parallel. Lift your chest without shrugging. Engage gently through your glutes. You're going to feel a supported lift in the lower spine. Gentle awareness, not strain. Sphinx retains your spine to stay long, without extension or overcorrection. What you're holding here will open up your hips next. Press your forearms into the ground for 5 seconds. Feel that lift? Can you stay tall without forcing anything? That just unlocked your posture. Let's go deep into your foundation. If your hips feel tight or stuck, this one brings it home. But here's a secret. It's not just physical. The stretch shifts your focus inward. Sit tall, soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Hold your ankles gently. Lift your chest. Stay centered. You're going to feel your inner thighs releasing. Spine tall, jaw soft. A quiet sense of opening. Releasing hip tension helps improve not just your posture, but digestion, stress, and clarity. This pose taps into your parasympathetic nervous system, your recovery switch. Gently press your knees toward the floor. 5 more seconds. Is your breath slower than when we started? That just unlocked your hips. Time to add rotation. Most flows miss this, but this is the glue. It's subtle, it's deep, and it resets everything. Sit with knees bent, feet wide apart. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Return to center, then drop to the other side. Keep movement slow, steady, and controlled. You're going to feel a deep release in your hip joints. Not outer hip, deep hip. I promise, this restores range where most people lose it, protecting your knees, back, and stride. Tomorrow, we move from mobility into activation. You'll feel the difference. Can you keep your hips grounded as your knees fall inward? Are your hips moving smoother than they were 5 minutes ago? That just resets your foundation. Day 1 is complete.